In this video, we will show you how to go live on TikTok on PC. If you guys want to get started with TikTok, you can use the links down in the description. First, download TikTok Live Studio from the TikTok site. Then install the program on your computer as you would any other software. After the installation, click Finish and ensure the box next to Run TikTok Live Studio has been checked. Then click Login and you will be taken to the TikTok Live Studio. Log in using your TikTok credentials. Now click Setup Now for the beginner setup if you are new to streaming on a PC. If you have used the live streaming software on your PC, click Import from another software to import settings and scenes, or click Go Live Now to start streaming. Then clicking Setup Now will guide you to setting up your camera and microphone. Click the pull down to select your desired microphone and then click Next. Now click the pull down to select the camera you want, then click Next. Steam settings will appear. You can then change settings such as video quality, encoder, encoder shift, and color space. If your computer is capable, we recommend adjusting your video quality to 1080p. Once you're done choosing your settings, click Next. After that, select Full Screen Desktop in the Scene Setting window. If you want your camera feed to be visible, choose Full Screen Desktop with a camera. Click Finish. Now you're ready for TikTok Live Studio. So that's how to go live on TikTok on PC. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with TikTok. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.